What's up, guys? Christian VQ back with another video. I'm currently going to school right now, and I figured to do like a little POV on the way there just to have a video up. I did a couple modifications last time I filmed. I didn't really show you guys, but I'll show you guys when I get there. But yeah, so right now we're on our way to my school. I'm gonna do a story time on how I got pulled over. I got pulled over recently, and I got a ticket, so I want to explain how that happened. Alright, so how I got pulled over was I was just I'm gonna explain the 2 times that I got pulled over recently. So the first time I was just working, and I was driving, and I wasn't even doing anything crazy. I was just literally just driving normal, and this undercover cop, he saw me and he followed me because I passed the intersection where he was making a right onto to go behind me. He had his window down, so I didn't think much of it, and he had the normal wheels. He didn't even have the steelies that like most undercover cops have. So that being said, I didn't really think much of it, so I was just driving normal, like I said. Next thing you know, he gets behind me and he turns on his lights. I pull over, and then I'm kind of confused on why he pulled me over. So he's like, the reason why I pulled you over is because you're loud exhaust, and he went in the front of my tint, and he went in the front of my car, and he was like, oh, and no plate. So thankfully I have a PBA, so I gave him my PBA, and he let me go, right? So a couple more weeks later, like 2 weeks later, I was working again, and he pulled me over this time, and I'm like thinking in my head, oh my god, it's the same cop, right? And it was the same cop, and I don't know if he remembered me or not. I would hope he would remember me, but I don't think so. But anyways, he pulled me over, and I was like, what happened now? And like I said, I was just driving normal, and he pulled me over for the exhaust and tints. And this time he gave me like a little fix-it ticket. I was kind of pissed because like I wasn't doing anything wrong, and I guess they're trying to hand out tickets. You know how cops have to give out a certain amount of tickets each month, so I'm guessing he was short and he just gave it to me. Meanwhile, I gave him my PBA, and I don't know why this guy's riding my ass. Yes, I gave him my PBA, he gave me a ticket, and it was just a fix-it ticket, so I'm gonna get that fixed. And yeah, but it was anything crazy. But those were the 2 times I got pulled over recently. Kind of sucks because kind of wastes time, but it is what it is. I'm gonna give you guys some little clips of me driving. I'm holding my GoPro right now with one hand, and with my normal POVs, I just use the mouth mount, so I'm not gonna be able to talk. So here we go. I don't know what's going on, but there's so much traffic. Usually there's traffic, but not like this. Like there's a decent amount of people that go when I go to the school, but I don't know why everyone's slowing down. At least Long Island drivers, so bad. I was literally making a right, having my right turn signal on, and this freaking, I don't know if it was a Civic Accord, that it looks freaking huge. I think it was the new Civic, but he sees me freaking have my turn signal on going to the right, and he like rides my ass, and then he like follows me, and like I kind of accelerated, and like he stayed in the middle lane. But like people like that I can't stand, like impatient. Alright guys, just got here to my school. The car's kind of filthy, but it's fine. So as you can see, I got the Toys for Tots put on. It looks really good. Yeah guys, I don't know if you guys know, but Toys for Tots is a organization to give toys to families that can't get toys for Christmas or can't afford it. So most people put it on their car, plus I donated, so yeah, for the kids. Hashtag for the kids. If you know, you know. So yeah. Oh, I also got the chrome delete. Looks really good. So I got that. I left the door handles chrome inserts just because I felt like it would look bad with the black, like just in between. It would just make it look cheap, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. If you guys like it, then, at least on silver. It may look good on like another car. So yeah, the car's kind of filthy, but yeah, this is the car. Alright, so I'm gonna end off the video here. This is a little short video, a little kind of update, but yeah, I just wanted to pump out a video today so you guys could have content to watch. And yeah, because after school I have work, so yeah, I'm not gonna be able to film anything else. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. Big things happening. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.